Is Lake Resources stock a buy? What of Metamaterial's stock? We'll begin with Lake Resources stock. It closed the session of the 8th of February 2021 at roughly $0.33, and it has a market cap of $336.5 million and has a hefty 1 billion shares outstanding. And before we look at this chart, we can see if we can digest a few things about its trend analysis. Lake Resources appears to be in a strong bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average is upward sloping, and the MACD histogram is above zero. So yes, it's in a strong bullish trend. Okay. Let's see now. This all-time high is at 39 cents. Okay. By certain measures as well, it can also be deemed as correcting. Okay, but regardless, it's still strongly bullish. Momentum for Lake Resources is strongly bullish. The 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is rising as investors pay high prices for shares. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. And so is the stock a buy? Well, easily, since it's in the lithium space, mining and obtaining licenses to mine lithium and and probably other metals that are in demand right now, and given the price it is trading at, roughly 33 cents, yes, just going back this sentiment, and you can just easily say yes, it is a buy. Why not? And that, as usual, don't commit a lot of money in it. The good thing also that amongst other things, the positive is that it hasn't reached its all-time high over there of 39 cents. It's still 10% below that. And on the other hand, I would actually say that it's trading above its short-term trend lines. Why not wait for it to correct? But there may not be any more time left for it to get cheaper for anyone to get in. After it reached that 39 cents, it's pulled back seriously. It's down to this definitely has to be as a result of a short, if it's possible, with these sort of over-the-counter stocks. It was seriously. Let me see. Yes, this is definitely a short at 39 cents. The next closing session, it closed down to 32 cents. Definitely the outcome of a short. And then the next time as well, it closed further down at 26. So this is within 2 sessions. It was already down. Has already lost 13 cents, which is definitely more than definitely more than 20%. So yes, and it keeps spiking. So regardless of the fact that it has this hefty shares outstanding, so you have to be careful. It has a history of sharp declines, of course, indeed sharp increases as well. But if you want to ignore that and just get in on it and see how it goes, you can always do so. On the other hand as well, the other positive is that for some time, from the 1st of January up till 29th. Okay, well, for a good 1 month, it never traded below its short-term trend lines, and when it did, it had it when it traded below that. That was on the 3rd of February. It's since recovered. So um, it has proven that it does recover, but this is just only one case, of late. Below here, in the previous months, it goes back and forth, but definitely this is probably when it became more of great interest to make market participants. You can see how it started to spike, even though, yes, at some point last year, it definitely had some attention. So yeah, if you want to give it a try, it's only 33 cents, and see how it goes. Yeah, give it a try, and see how it goes. Don't commit a lot of money. Yeah. So the next one is Metamaterials. um, Metamaterials closed at $1.40 for the session of the 8th of February 2020. So it has no market cap figure here, but I believe it will be going by that price. We are looking at something close to $120 million in market capitalization. So Metamaterials is in a it went and entered an agreement with Touch Energy or something like that. So okay, see here what it says here. Metamaterials obtains interim order for plan of arrangement. Let's have a look and see what it says here. Metamaterials, a developer of high performance functional materials and nano composites, today announced that it has obtained an interim order from the Ontario Superior Court of Justice authorizing the holding of an annual general special meeting of the security holders and matters relating to the conduct of the meeting. And the meeting shareholders and holders of options, warrants, and deferred share units will be asked to, among other things, pass a special resolution relating to the proposed plan of arrangement involving the company and Torchlight Energy. Yes, okay. As announced in the company's press release on December 14, 2020, the arrangement will be carried out pursuant to the definitive arrangement date, December 14, 2020, entered in connection and proposed business combination of the company and Torchlight as amended. Okay, so this is as it concerns the merger with Torchlight Energy. So there's more to come with this stock. So if you want to get involved this, let's see what's going on here. Momentum for Metamaterials as measured by a 14-period slow stochastic oscillator is waning. This means that investors are less aggressive in their recent purchases and may even be taking profits in positions bought at lower prices. Okay, that's momentum here. This is the price rate of change. It's not looking so confident at 38.6%. The unbalanced volume indicator is bullish. The slope of the indicator is positive and suggests that buyers are presently more active than sellers. Okay, so yes, if you believe that merger is going to yield something positive for Metamaterials or indeed Torchlight, yes, I think they're both trading at roughly the same price. But at the moment, Metamaterials is trading way above its short-term trend lines, and it has never actually traded below that trend line since the 30th of October 2020. So it okay, yes. So at some point it did. That was sometime in the on the 21st of December 2020. But since that time, it has continued to just get a lot of support from that 10-day trend line, and even though and while it climbs, it also tends to pull back a bit, but still forges on. It's really fascinating. If you think this trend line is anything to go by, you know, yes, you can by all means jump. It what it clearly it demonstrates is that this stock is a darling to certain market participants. You can see it doesn't trade sideways. It just keeps going upwards. It's either correcting downwards, but after that it goes up again. And yes, it is really fascinating. The interests and the sentiments of the people who have traded the stock, the market participants. It's clearly written on the stock. So, given that it is trading at a premium to its trend lines, I would still say yes. Why not jump in? And as usual, with a small amount of money, you know, the company definitely is competent when it comes to materials and structures and nano structures. But there are other things that are commercial and legal that can pose risks to the stock. So by all means, jump in, and see how it goes. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you're new to our channel, subscribe, like, and share. And for those who have already subscribed, thank you very much, and keep on subscribing. We had over 9,000 unique viewers on our videos in the last week. So if all those guys subscribe, we would have a subscriber count that is way beyond 10,000. We're talking about something close to 11,000. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video again. Thank you.